Hi, today I'm going to show you how to design the Chevron brace. Use our program, Civil-based steel connection design program. So start your web browser. I use Opera here. Okay, typing your web address. Okay, our program address asp.civilbase.com/connect. All right, enter. Okay. Program show up. The program show up here. It's the input we demo in our last tutorial. Horizontal red around gusset plate connection under the general tab here. Brace connection, we will keep it. Now we want to change this horizontal brace, red plate, okay, to Chevron brace. All right. Now it's a Chevron brace. We want to design Chevron. Okay. Here you go. That's Chevron brace. All right. So these Chevron brace, we follow this one, AISC Design Guide 29. Okay, that's the newest publication here. Let me search Chevron. Okay, find Chevron. We follow this one, Chevron brace frame, combined bracing system. Okay, where is it? Okay, Chevron brace connection 189. Okay, page 189. Next. Okay, next. 189. Okay, it's searching. All right, here you go. Not this guy. Okay, not this page. One is still searching. Okay, here you go. So you see the design guide 29. All right, so here is a Chevron brace. Chevron brace connection. We follow exactly this guideline. All right. So here's a hollow section. I believe it's a hollow section. Connections step by step and section BB. Let me do 1, 2. Okay, let me do 1 to 5. Here's a code section BB, section AA. These are step I'll check and get the moment. Okay. We follow exactly this one. Brace to gusset connection. Design guide 29. All right. So I just you can for you to understand how our limit state check works, refer to design guide 29. Okay, that's our Bible for Chevron check. Okay, come to our program. Chevron brace, we want to, you see the gusset is to color to the beam web. Like here, we can change to flange, connect to beam flange. That's a normal case. All right, to the beam flange. Okay, of course, the Chevron brace normally it's symmetric from the right to left. We can copy the brace configuration. You see this gusset, the angle is different. One is 45 degree, it's to vertical line. Okay, one is 40 degree. Okay, I don't know. That might happen, right? So, but if you want to be symmetrical, you just copy here everything from right to left or left to right. All right. So. I get copy, and then we get this gusset plate thread. Okay, see the gusset plate thread. Okay, WT shape bolted. Okay, front of gusset 40 degree. Okay, here you go. So that's general. Again, the section. Under the section, you can define the beam section. Now is 1240. Okay, and the same thing, steel grate up there, and the gusset plate. Okay. Oh, I forgot to mention that. Okay, even though the Chevron brace, you can do, I want to show you one more thing. You can do this being at the top, okay, like this. Okay, you can also being at the bottom. You flip upward, okay. Get this, okay. Normally you have X cross bracing, okay. Also, you can have stiffener plate here on the beam, alright? So stiffener plate, you provide stiffener plate, yes or no, okay. That one, there's some check on being web crippling or web local buckling or whatever. Okay, they have two stiffener plate. We go to being at the top, okay. We go to being at the top. Okay, now as a normal way, Chevron is this way. Okay, so being at the top, the two stiffener plate, and we can choose to have one stiffener plate in the middle, right? Instead of two, we choose one stiffener plate in the middle, in the center. Okay, we also can just define stiffener plate thickness, width, corner creep, full depth or half depth. Okay, half depth. Half depth of stiffener plate. Stiffener plate grade, weld, grade 0 weld here, weld to flange, weld to web. Okay, that's stiffener plate. Okay, go to full depth. Okay, so when you have large actual load, it's required. I put stiffener on in terms of Chevron, like 2 or 1. Okay, or you can get 3. I have 3 options here. Okay, and we normally put stiffener on. Okay, 3 stiffener plate like this. Okay, that's cost. I know labor cost in North America by welding this stiffener plate, cutting, welding, the labor cost is very high. Okay, so we have these options. So we can turn it off. We have 3 stiffener plate. That's one of the options. We can turn it off. If now for demo we turn it off. Provide stiffener plate at the column web or beam web. No, I have no stiffener plate. Okay, my beam can take the load without stiffener plate. Okay, so come here. So again, we take the WT brace as example. You can choose wide flange, double angle, or channel, or hollow section. All right. So that's the sections. Let's define the beam section. It's 1240 here. All right. And also gusset plate. All right. So that's define the geometry of the gusset plate. Basically, check the left. Okay, when I move mouse over the left, dimension get highlighted in yellow. Okay, that's clearance. Okay, see the left. This edge of the brace clearance to the beam flange. That's clearance, and that's the see this one. Okay, the yellow highlight one. That's edge extension. Okay, both sides. I believe it's both sides. Okay, and that's gusset plate thickness. Okay, so here we have for Chevron we always have a pair of brace. Okay, so when we set up the brace for brace locate on right, we define this one, right one. Okay, we can have a left. We will define the brace on the left. So for that reason, if you go to gusset, okay, we are setting the right. Okay, so when you are go to the gusset plate, okay, all these dimension are for the right side of brace. All right. So and also go to WT. It's for the right side of WT. All right. So okay, see here when I move its gauge on the right, it's spacing, edge distance. All right. So gusset to beam, it's the welding. All right. It's a welding. You define the weld. See the highlight weld symbol. Okay. Design load. Again, design load. There are two braces, left and right. We can design the brace force. Okay. These you see the highlight load. These Chevron normally they come with the two braces. Right? They normally come with one tension, one compression. As a pair, okay, and so here the right side is tensile, okay, the left side we put 100, normally let's say 55 compression, okay. That's the normal case, okay. We normally it's a rare case we see they are all in tension or they are all in compression. Again, this one low case 2, we can have right side compression this time and left side is tensile, okay. Let's say minus 60, minus 60. All right, so that's the load. We will provide the two low case, okay. Two low case, you can do the two low cases at one shot, okay. Then we can provide a couple options. These also apply to show ups in any vertical brace with top and bottom, left and right. You can set all low case to you can clear them to all to be 0 value. You can clear all the low case 2 to be 0 value, or you can copy the low case 1 value to low case 2. Okay, that's one click. You can do many things here. It's just a shortcut for you to do some common operation. Okay, that finish our input for Chevron brace. Okay, we don't we choose not to have stiffener plate inside the beam. You can provide that if you want. Okay, okay, let's do it. Let's provide stiffener plate. All right, so you can provide one in the middle. Okay, I can choose that one in the middle and full depth. One only. All right. Okay, so go to design calc. All right, go to design calc. That's summary here. We select all. We get all the sections. Okay, two low cases. Okay, I'll get a sketch. Okay, then we expand all of them. All right, so we can print it. Okay, here you go. It's a nice sketch. All right, summary, sketch, Chevron brace. Okay, that brace view will show you the these brace geometry and bolt spacing. Gusset view show you Whitmore section for gusset calculation. We have stiffener plate here. All the calculation. I'm not going to print a PDF. I can refer to my other previous tutorial for how to print it to paper or PDF. All right. So that concludes my tutorial on Chevron brace, and see you for the next one. Okay. Bye bye.